The smell. Most burps are odorless. They're just swallowed air coming back up. But when they smell bad, it's usually because of hydrogen sulfide, the same gas that smells like rotten eggs. Ew. That happens when food sits in your stomach for too long or when bacteria in your digestive tract starts breaking down proteins containing sulfur, found in foods like eggs, meat, and some vegetables. If your burps often smell foul or like sulfur, it could be a signal of slow digestion or an imbalance of chemical bacteria. Something worth checking on with a doctor.